Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to say you press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Girl, I forgot to make an intro video because this video is actually a video part 2 to like a pre-poop chit chat video. So I am not going to talk through this whole video. I really just wanted to show you guys how this full style turned out, and I wanted to just let you guys see, like, you can play with color and still have healthy hair because it's temporary color. So if you guys don't know what I'm doing, because if you didn't watch my pre-poo chit chat, then you don't know what this video is, like this particular video is feeding off of. But I used the Curlsmith product, the Curlsmith temporary gel, and in the color copper. So I decided to do a half up, half down situation with my hair, and I was really pleased with the color. If you guys don't know, this is not freshly washed hair. I just moisturized my hair with some water. I used, like, the white product that you see is actually just reused product that I had in my hair. I didn't add any new product, if that makes sense. So I just added water, and the white foam or the white color that you see coming off of my hair is just reactivated product. So I decided to put the Curlsmith color gel down the length of my hair and then twist it up. And you guys, you see how long my twist is? Like, my hair is getting so long. It's like, it's just amazing how long my hair is getting and how it's getting back full and filled in. So you guys, this took me about 45 minutes to do. I thought that it was going to be a lot faster because my hair is thinner, but I keep forgetting that the length of my hair is also what makes my hairstyles take a little bit of time to do. So I'm going to apply this all over my head, and then I'm going to show you guys a end result of what my hair looks like dry. And I actually left this hairstyle up for 2 or 3 days. I actually thought I was going to wash it out the next day because it was wash day, but the color was so cute, I just could not bring myself to wash the color out that fast. And then you guys, I did use some jam, some hair jam on the front of my hair to kind of like slick down my hair. If you guys don't know, I did suffer from postpartum shedding, and I also suffered from COVID hair loss, which is telangiectatic fluvium. And oh gosh, I butchered that name so bad, but I call it TE. So I lost 45% of the bulk of my hair, and now my hair is actually in transition of growing back. So I have about 6 inches of new growth, like 6 to 8 inches of new growth on my hair, and my flyaways is out of control. Like, it's a nuisance, but I'm happy to see them. But it's a nuisance because every hairstyle that I put in my hair, it looks like crap because the flyaways is just not giving the hairstyle what it needs to give. And then I'm working with almost 2 density textures, if that makes sense. Like, the hair that's hanging off of my head away from my scalp is the older hair, and now that my hair is filling back in, my scalp is a little bit thicker, but it's still not as thick as my hair used to be, but it's thicker than the hair that's hanging down. So I'm like working with that situation with my hair. But the flyaways, I literally just keep my hair in 2 big braids with no hair tie on it. But I wanted to do something different for you guys and just give you guys a really quick style and just see how you like it. So once again, I am going to show you an end result of what my hair looked like dry, and then I'm going to come back in a gray sweater and show you guys what my hair looked like 3 days later. And then I did a twist out, but I didn't separate the twist or anything like that because when I took these twists down, I did wash my hair. So I didn't play with it and let it get big and poofy and full. You guys, I am in a recover mode, so I am not doing any crazy hairstyles that's going to require my hair to be hanging down, touching my shoulders, or rubbing up against my clothes or anything like that. So this is a low manipulated style, but still having a little bit of fun with it, I guess you can say. So I am going to stop rambling and just let you guys watch the final end result of this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.